Hop into the 2023 Toyota Tacoma. You'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.